Odumeje, in Daboski. You don't tell. I mean, it is this man travel, my people. In matter don't land now from airport. Now from airport, I go pick up. I just see this man with, in fact, the women, I just say they reach like 10, if I'm not even the mistake. See how everybody, they lay down their wrapper. So that the king go pass. The lion himself, the only iron metal. In fact, this man, he couldn't waka majestically. Hey. Make you not come be like say they exaggerate. You understand? Because my mouth too sweet. So join me. Make me watch In the Boski. Iberibezim. Last. Now only Nigeria coronavirus they affect. No, now waiting me I just see. Everybody they shout corona, wear your mask. But the real corona is there for Nigeria. Many of you now go they laugh for this matter, but you know they funny. See how women they put wrapper for ground like saying na God they come pass and go check them for house. They not even they respect their husband. They never for once put wrapper say make their husband go pass on top. No wonder no nonsense pastor even come talk am because that one he be like say the matter don't over am so he come out by himself. They tell us, say, and so women go there, daddy, when they see their pastor, daddy. But go see them for house, they call their husband, Papa Chibuzo. I know just they understand. Why African mentality, African men, why on our mind just they blocked? Why on our mind just they blocked? Una no fit just, no una know they give your pastor God's position. No carry God position. I don't to say make una no respect una pastor biko no. Don't get me wrong. Respect your pastor, but no to this thing where what you supposed they do for God, you can't they do it for man. And any pastor where they accept this kind of thing, because see, pastor supposed know you say glory na for God. Any pastor where they behave like God, pride don't enter them. And the same Bible even tell us say pride comes before a fall. Meaning say before you fall down, pride don't. This man as I dey see, I dey see pride. Say he raise shoulder, if I hear say my mama, I catch my mama for this kind of thing. That day she go sleep outside. No, I know the joke. You see that place where they put wrapper. She go sleep on top wrapper where they put by themselves. I'm not going to open door. Which kind of embarrassment be this one? I don't just understand. And nobody even feel talk about it. The man no even feel say, oh, don't worry. See people, mama. Oh. If you not say your mama they there because their faces they show where, check out. If you not say your mama they there because start they do something. Women. Hi. Women. Anyhow, then go say this vaccine don't land for Nigeria. Because you see these women wanna just watch. Now they need them pass. Una need them. This vaccine, una need them. Maybe the thing will correct some people's brain. You understand? I don't just understand. And as for this one in the Boski, Odumeje, now only attention this man they like. Only attention since day one where I know about this man. Attention, if you no can't spray money, you go carry soldiers we go shoot. I be police people we go shoot. If you no do that one, you go cause problem. Now so you go scatter person whether na wedding or be party. In fact, any smart now just commotion. Now just commotion master. God get cases to solve. God, he get cases to solve on earth and he get cases to judge after we leave this place. Seriously, and the work plenty. I just a feel, I even a feel for God. And women like this, these women wanna just watch. You know, go even dey easy. Say, una go talk them out of this matter. Say, man, don't do this thing again. You know, go dey easy because their brain don't enter. They don't wash them with soap, water, hypo, or even sanitizer self inside the brain. You know, go dey easy. So I beg, if you know say your mama dey there, small, start to talk to her. Start to talk to her because this one, they don't put a partner, make it pass. The next one, all of them go lie down, make the man climb on top. Wahala for who no get church. I bet my people now don't hear them. This one I bring them because what you sue me, I no fit carry them again. You understand? So start to drop those comments. Wait till you think. Wait till they cause all this thing and how we feel stop them. Drop them for that place. And now I need share this video so that everybody go. You understand? They go no say this thing supposed stop. Time don't reach, make it stop. You understand? Very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe so that you no go miss anything where we drop. Stay tuned for our next story. Congolese villagers don't become multi-billionaires. In fact, my people, if you see mountain of gold, hey! I don't know who tell person go tell person go tell another person. See villagers, everybody they dig, they dig. Now so they can't find out say this mountain gold food inside. This one they happen for Republic of Congo as they talk to now. Hey, people, see everybody with their shovel. Ikba. Wahala for who no get shovel. I bet for now we don't know what they happen now for Congo. Join me, make we watch the video. Hey, I just imagine if person carry me go that place. Hey, my life done better. Oh. No, just imagine you get one bag, just one bag. Oh. Money dey Africa, forget them. And this thing, as I watch this video, my people, the thing will make me dey wonder different things. Una no say we be mumu. No, I know I even involve myself, not being insult, na question. Una know. Because for Africa, if only Africans no say we dey blessed, we no go even dey kill ourselves. So my people, I don't dey wonder since say how Africa go dey produce cocoa. They get cocoa for Togo, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire. They get cocoa for Africa. We dey produce am, but yet chocolate go come from Switzerland, go Belgium. They this one chocolate. Meanwhile now we dey produce am. I bet Switzerland and Belgium they get bush. They get bush where they plant all these things. No, I just they ask. If you know, I bet make you tell me because to my own knowledge, all these things they come from us. Even tea, all this tea now where everybody don't they repackage, they package am. No be Ethiopia, Uganda, Kenya, all those places. No be there they bring these things. White people now they go come change the name, call am English tea. English tea born from us, they carry am. Many things they involve my people. So even what they call this thing coltan, abi coltan. I don't even know how to pronounce it. That thing, where did they get them from? Where did they get that thing from? Congo. Even this same Congo video one I just watch. These people they get them plenty, but they know they produce phone. Still this same phone. Now why people get them? Now why people come invent and they come produce and they come. Una know why? Very simple. The reason why all these things they happen, they don't capture our mind. They don't capture our mind. See, and all of us as we dey like this, we dey confused spiritually. Second reason. Third reason now because we don't allow ourselves to become slaves to other people. Now why all these things they happen? No, if not, make una give me reason why as rich as Africa be. Yet, we don't turn slaves. One person will just get white color for body, go just come, they give us, you do this, you do this. We don't turn slaves. I bet for now where they pack, pack and fast oh. I dey tell them based on our own experience, you understand, Naija, our own experience, because if this happen for Nigeria, now first to come go carry, pack and fast, because if I just imagine if this thing like this, we see am for Naija, my people how far? Now only, in fact, the first 10 minutes sef, if you dey lucky, you go carry something. They go send soldiers, make they go block the whole place. That whole place when they see like this, soldiers go there, block, and they go form fence. Police go even enter inside this matter. By now, if na Naija, na wetin go happen? They know they waste time. And if matter even come worse, they go even send, or you see all these soldiers when they go send, they go even give them instructions. Say, abeg, if you na reach there, any citizen who na see, shoot them. They go give them instruction. Greediness everywhere, greediness. Africa na real Garden of Eden. Africa. Now we don't know wetin we get. Now we don't know. If white people hear this one now go see how aeroplanes go start to fly everywhere. They fly because they know. Now they know the meaning of all these things. That when they come, another matter will come start. Another matter will come start. So I beg, wetin they call it? Government, Congo government, because make una start they lock the airports, no allow any flights in and out again. If not, my people, now war go come. Now war go come, and you know say white people they sabi use people mind. You know say na them study psychology pass. If they come now, they go come try to convince them. Before you know now, they don't sign paper. You don't belong to them. Small thing. So I beg make una close down all the airports. It is very, very important. Now only our leaders for Africa be our problem. Now only our leader. I will say we get correct leaders. See, if we get correct leaders, we don't get problem for this life. In fact, now white people say go they come they beg us. Say may we do deals, may we get business together. Africa. Now why sometimes if some people just dey, I don't like my color, I don't like my country, I don't like my this thing. We are proud though. Hey, me, I am proud to be an African person. You understand? Very, very important. So I beg, now why I bring this matter now? So that this thing will reach Congo government. It need close down the airports as time still there now. I don't know about you now. All of you now, they watch me now. I thought say I no go talk am, but make I just talk am because una be my people. As I dey talk to una now, I don't book my flight. Look me very well. In fact, I don't relocate too. Because now there the thing they happen, I'm going to the land of milk and honey. You understand? So if you know, you know. If you don't know, no. But me, I don't pack my things already. This night, I dey go that side. I must carry my own gold. So if you know what thing you want, what thing they sup now, start to pack yourself. They go there because now there the thing they shell. You understand? My people now say make I bring this matter. Me, I know they stingy. I go see better thing. I no go come tell you now. Now my plan be that. So start to drop the comment for that comment section. Very, very important. And share this video once again, my people. They need hear and they need save their what do they call it, perimeters. Make them safe and very well before outsiders will come inside. War will come start. And if you never subscribe, I best start to subscribe. Click on that thing. If not, you go they miss everything. Matters like this. Just imagine. Some people don't know. You understand? Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.